everybody watching live. I am Captain Pierre Hugo of vessel Allure, sailing vessel Allure 64, the Golden Temptation. Come with me, let's have a look at the boat. So Allure is a Privilege 64, hull number 4, semi-customized. And I mean, just look at her, she is absolutely beautiful. We obviously have our standard toys, but you can also see the list online. And yeah, we have some sun lounges over here, beautiful area to relax while on anchor. Okay, so now I'm going to send you up to the flybridge where Desiree is waiting for you.
Come up onto the flybridge. I'd like to serve you one of our welcome cocktails, which is a raspberry sorbet made on the boat with some champagne. You can enjoy this here on the flybridge, which is sailing. When the sails are up, it is just magnificent. Let's go see what Pierre has downstairs for us.
Okay, next up we're going to show you the beach club. We have a lovely seating area on the aft. We can lower the tender platform into the water. You can even offer you some sushi or some in the water.
Yeah.
And here are some canapes.
Yeah, talk about canapes, something to pair with Pierre's awesome cocktails that he serves at sunset. Would also like to, this is another great feature about Privilege 64 on Allure, is the lovely sunbeds on the side. So in case you don't want to get too much sun and you feel like you need a little break, lovely for reading books. And of course, this is where we serve lunch and dinner. Come on inside.
So this is the captain's bar over here. We have a beautiful selection of any alcohol. This is obviously not all of it. And I love to make cocktails. And I'd love for you to try cocktails that you have never tried before. And yeah, we look forward to having more cocktails. And now I'll hand you over to Des.
Hi. If you'd like to come down and follow me into the master cabin. As you can see, we're starting off with a lovely study. If you need to complete some of your emails or just, check a few things, this is the place to do it. As you can see, this is the master suite. Beautiful and spacious with custom-made linens, as well as ethically sourced down feather duvets, which can be interchanged with microfiber inners. We also have carefully selected microfiber foam cushions, pillows, as well as a lovely Ziebenkissen, which might be the wrong way of saying it. I have to practice my German. If you scrunch it, take a smell. It smells like pine needles, like you're sleeping in the forest. That's a good one. Right. I don't know if you want to have a look at the head. And then follow through to our queen size aft cabin.
Alright. And now I'm going to take you down to the Starboard Arc Cabin. On the way down, might as well have a look at the beautiful wine fridge too. then here we have the aft cabin, which can be a twin, or it can also be converted to a double. Got a beautiful view outside the window. So you can lie in bed and enjoy a view of the water. And then we also have a wireless charging port for cell phones, which is a nice little feature. Don't need cables anymore. And now we can turn around and face Desiree there.
Welcome to where the magic happens. This is where we prepare all your tasty treats throughout the day. And today we have a pecan tiramisu cheesecake. Enjoy.